Hey guys! In the previous video, I showed you how to block a website on Safari. That method was simple, but honestly, it only works on Safari. If you try accessing the site on other browsers like Chrome or Firefox, it still loads perfectly fine. So in this video, I'm going to share a much more effective way to block a website on all browsers system-wide. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate by blocking facebook.com. To get started, go ahead and press Command Space to bring up Spotlight, type Terminal, and open the application. This is a built-in app on macOS, so you don't need to install anything extra. Next, type in the following command: sudo nano /etc/hosts. Then hit return. Here, you'll need to enter your Mac's password. When you type your password in terminal, nothing will appear on the screen. Just type the correct password blindly and hit return. This command opens the host file on your Mac. You'll see the text content of the file. Now, use your down arrow key to navigate all the way to the bottom of the file. Next, type this command: 127.0.0.1 space facebook.com. Then, hit return to create a new line and type 127.0.0.1 space www.facebook.com. These two lines will block Facebook access via IPv4. However, to make this bulletproof, we also need to block IPv6 access, so add two more lines. Type ::1 space facebook.com, and similarly, ::1 space www.facebook.com. By the way, if you want to be super thorough and block mobile subdomains too, you might want to add m.facebook.com or web.facebook.com. But for most people, blocking the main domain is enough. Once you've typed everything in, press Ctrl+X to exit the Nano editor. Terminal will ask if you want to save the changes. Just press the letter Y for yes, and then press Return to confirm the file name. Now your host file is saved. Next, we need to flush the DNS cache to make the changes take effect immediately. Run the flushcache command shown on screen. I'll leave all these commands in the video description and on my blog so you can easily copy and paste them. Hit return. Okay, let's head back to the browser. If you just refresh the page right now, you might see it still loads. You actually need to quit the browser completely using Command Q, not just close the window. Now, open the browser again. When you try to go to facebook.com, you can't access it anymore. Here's why. Because we configured the host file, your computer is now redirecting the Facebook address back to your own machine instead of Facebook's servers. And since your Mac obviously isn't hosting Facebook, it leads nowhere. If you try this on Chrome, you'll get the same result. The site is totally blocked. Now, if you want to unblock the website, just go back to Terminal. Use the sudo nano command again to open the host file. Simply delete the lines you added related to Facebook. Then, press Ctrl+X, press Y, and hit return. Don't forget to run the flushcache command again. Quit your browser one last time, open it up, and you'll see that you can access Facebook normally again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, and don't forget to check out my other macOS tutorials for beginners on the channel. I'll see you in the next one.